Time once again for The Law and You here on Eyewitness News, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thank you so much for being here tonight.
We are so excited to be here today.
Yeah, it's Thanksgiving week.
Thanksgiving
it's a big week.
I can't believe it's here already.
I know.
It's my favorite holiday.
Next thing you know, the year will be done. But before we rush to the holiday season, let's get into our question tonight. And this involves a medication. Mary in West Scranton has a question here. And she says, my husband has atrial fibrillation and started taking Xarelto. He just had a stroke, which the doctors are saying may have been caused by the drug. What should we do? Now, haven't you guys heard some things and had some cases with this drug?
Yeah, we actually have a couple of Xarelto cases right now, and this is one of the problems. There's a risk of bleeding, so it really depends on the type of stroke that your husband had. If your husband had, there's two different types, an ischemic or a hemorrhagic stroke, and depending upon what type of stroke he had, then it may be directly linked to the drug Xarelto, or GI bleeding as well. So you definitely may have a potential case against Xarelto here. We would really need a little bit more information on the type of stroke, but there's a criteria that we could run through with you and tell you if you have a case or not.
Yeah, and basically the criteria generally is if you're having a bleed and you're on Xarelto, you should call and get a legal consultation, because you don't want to rest on your rights. You got to gather your medical records, get on the phone with a law firm that knows how to handle them, and get your find out if you have a case. But if you're bleeding and you're on Xarelto, it's a good idea to get a consult, because if you wait, you can miss your time window and then you're out of the box.
Our viewers that may want to talk to you guys, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. Hotline, always busy.
Yep, absolutely. Get the hotline. Get your husband's medical records, and I guarantee you, your husband's being treated by a neurologist. Just ask the neurologist what type of stroke your husband had, and then that way when you call, we can get through the criteria pretty quickly.
All right, good way to get started. Results matter, of course, with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. See you next time.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.